Good morning student, and today we will for the class 6 subject computer chapter number 6 formulas and functions. Formulas and functions in Excel 2016. So my dear student, before this chapter I want to say to you only one thing. Excel is also a good software, a good app, a good thing for the computer, because with the help of Excel you can, just like this is a math, you can calculate the all function. You can calculate your home budget, your market budget, your so many tabs, add, sum, subtract. You can find out the total salary of the company's employees. You can describe the different part of the managers, and under sub managers, deputy managers, and team, full team salary, full team credit work. So in this Excel you can do so many works. So now introduction. Introduction of Excel. A formula is a mathematical expression that includes operand and operation to evaluate the results. MS Excel 2016 provides many features that allow you can create the use formula in Excel sheets. In Excel, formulas always begin with the equal sign. Formulas always begin with the equal sign, and this condition. Excel sheet is a sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and this Excel sheet. Suppose there is a cell. You write the formula, then you start from this sign, sum. But write the equal sign. In the formula, equal sign C1. It doesn't matter. I write according to your book. Mathematical operators. You have to multiply sign. Equal. Operators. Operand selectors. All things cell address equal to sign, and this sign equal to sign. Okay. So how to enter formula? I will tell you. The above example show a formula containing operators, operands, and selectors equal to symbol for evolution, product of number. And now I will tell you entering a formula. Entering formula. How to enter? In Excel worksheet, you can type a formula either in the formula bar in the cells. When you type a formula in the cell, The formula bar consists two buttons, namely enter button and the cancel button. Enter button, enter button. Cancel button. One is the enter button. This button evaluates the value of the formula. It works like pressing the enter key. Works like the pressing the enter key. And second, cancel button. Cancel button. This button cancels the operation which is to be performed. Which is to be performed. Suppose you want to calculate the sum of the contents of the column price display in the figure 6.1 and so enter the use of given step. So first is click on the cell where you want to display the total. First option, click here. You want to total on the Excel sheet. Tab equal sign. Tab equal sign. Number third. Now type the formula sheet, whichever numbers of the cell, equal sign, type C8 to your book on the figure 6.1 and 6.2 and type the formula C2 C7, C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus C6 plus C7 plus C8. Sorry, C8 the place where you will get the total. And after it, number 4, press enter key. The total get displayed in the cell C8 is shown figure 8. Press the enter key. Press enter key. Get total in C8 and you get the total. Okay, next you may also perform the addition. Okay, I will show the board. So that's the Excel sheet. I am drawing only the seat area, not the menu or another bar. A, B, C, D, E, R, G, H and so on. And same here. Sorry. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you write the name of the item. Name of the item in this column. Name of the item. Number 1. and here price in the C column. Pen. Second, pencil. Pen, pencil. Pen, pencil. Notebook. Eraser. Color box. Scrapbook. 200, 125, 100, 80, 350, and 700. And according to the steps, we will write the C8. C8. This is called the C8 column. This is C8 column. C8 type equal and C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5 C6 plus C7 and then enter, and you will get the answer here 1555 rupees in this column. So by this manner you can add the money or price. Okay, next. Next, you may also perform the addition or any other operation by using the mouse, for example, in the given worksheet to calculate total marks of the student for the given student, to calculate the total number of marks of the student. So click on the same C1, C2, C3 and the A, B, C, D. So click on the cell S2 and type equal. Click on the cell S2. Click on the cell S2 and type equal sign. And type equal sign. Click on the cell C2. Click on the cell C2. The same all step as already in your book on the page number 16. Click on the cell C2. Now the select cell. First press the symbol key and click. Then click on the cell D2. Go to the same to select the rest of the cell E2, E, F2, G2. You will notice C2, D2, E2, F2, G2 in the formula bar. Click on the enter button on the formula bar. The result will appear in the S2. Result will appear in the H2. In this manner, Excel sheet, the formula fx. So here, write the C2 plus C3 plus whatever you want in the particular place, you can write the all cells address in the formula and then enter, press enter and get the total. So by this reason, you will use the second method for adding the numbers. So you can this sheet on the page number 60, figure 6.3, figure 6.4. Click on the enter button from the bar. The red bar will be appear in the S2. Similarly, in the order to copy formula and also in order to copy the formula into other cell, click on the cell. The autofill handle symbol will appear at the right bottom corner of cell H12. Drag it down till last cell, the sum appear in the cell. So my dear student, I will explain you help of your book. So My first example is just like pen, pencil, notebook as a draw on the board. So this is the figure to draw on the board as a clear figure. Figure 6.1 and figure 6.2 is the right here equal C1, C2, C3, C4 till C7, and here we will get the C in the total in the C8 total price of the items, and the others is the figure 6.3 and the figure 6.4. Here name of the student Neha, Nisha, Ritu, Rashmi, Swati, English, Math, Computer, Hindi, Science total. So 85 is the C2. So we will write in the formula about C2, D2, E2, F2, G2, and total will be the H2. So here is the H2, and will drag, auto will drag handle tools in the right corner. Okay, so we will drag and automatically total on the all numbers, all students number. So this is on the page figure on the page number 60, figure 6.1 and 6.3, 6.4. And now using text formula. Now I will tell you using text formula. Using text formula. Using text formulas. In the text formulas, we can add the two other names in a one column. Suppose that up to the name Ram and Syam, we can add in the one column, and we can. And other example is that suppose that a person name is Raja. But both name, by the help of the text formula, both name will be in Rajat Dev. Rajat Dev. So how can you look at? Apart from the numeric operation, you can also perform the operation on text. For example, you can combine a text. The process of combining the text is called concatenation. You use the AND symbol for the concatenation. For example, enter two text values in cell A1 and B1. Like Sonam in cell A1 and Kapoor in cell B2. Type the formula A1 and B1 in cell C1 and press enter. It will be displayed Sonam Kapoor in the cell C1 is a figure on 6.5 using text formula. Using text formula figure 6.5. A1 Sonam, B1 Sonam, and C1 Sonam Kapoor. Text after concatenation. Okay, and now cell reference, the most important thing, cell reference. Focus on the cell reference. Cell reference. Cell reference, the cell address is a formula are also known as the cell reference. Cell address in a formula are also known as cell references, cell address. There are the mainly three types of cell reference in this group. First is relative cell reference. First is relative cell reference. Relative cell reference can be explained in terms of position of a formula relative to the cells. Position of a formula relative to the cell. So when you copy or move a formula, then the reference cell automatically gets changed. For example, if the formula, my dear student, I am saying actual numbers b1, b2, some any other number according to your book on your and according to your figures on the relative chapters, relative page numbers, relative figure. Because if I will give you other example, maybe some student will confuse. So I don't want to confusion. I don't want to create the confusion. So listen again carefully. Relative self-reference. Relative self-reference can be explained in terms of the position of a formula relative. Position of a formula relative cell. So when you copy or move a formula, when the reference cell automatically gets changed. For example, the formula in the cell D3 is equal to B3 multiplication sign C3, and when you copy the formula from D3 to D6, Excel automatically changes the reference to match the location of cells, that is B4 into C4, B5 into C5, and so on. To use relative cell reference, follow the given step. Select the cells in which you have written a formula. Select the cell which you have written the formula. Take the cursor to the right corner of the cell. Take the cursor right corner of the cell. The autofill handle symbol will appear. Autofill handle will symbol appear. Autofill handle. Just fine. Autofill handle. The corner of the cell. Autofill. It will drive this condition, and formula auto will copy it in the other cells, other adjacent cells in this manner. Yes, sir. Small plus. Take the cursor to the right corner of the cell. The autofill handle symbol will appear. Drag the autofill handle over the cell to copy the formula. Release the mouse. The formula will copy it to the selected cell with relative reference, and values will be calculated accordingly. So this is a figure 6.6 related to the cell reference. Here B3, B4, C3, D3, values after copying from the cell. Drag from the D3, drag to D6. So this formula copied D3 to D4, D5, D6 and all area. Add the selected area and the dragging area. Next, absolute cell reference. Cell reference. In the absolute cell reference, absolute cell reference is used when you do not want to change the address. When you don't want to change the address of a cell while copying the formula to another cell. If you don't want to change the cell, if you copy the formula to the another cell. To make absolute reference for of a formula address, sign dollar sign. Use the dollar sign before the row number and column number, like $8 1, row and column, plus $8 2. In example, for example, follow the given some step. Let us calculate 10% discount on the price of item. Type 10% in the cell C1. A second, click on the cell C5. Click on the cell E5. Look here. Type the formula D5, sign multiplication, dollar sign C, dollar sign 1, and press enter key. The cell E5 displays the discounted value. Discounted value means this cell will not change. Its cell will absolute. So by this is called the absolute. One cell always absolute, and this cell and these cells will change. First time D5 into C and dollar C, dollar 1, because the C1. Again this, but C1 will common in these cells. C1 will not change in these cells. So second cell reference, autofill handle, drag, and first reference. In the first reference, absolute cell reference. The example of absolute cell reference on the page number 62, figure 6.7. So my dear student, here you are using the absolute cell reference of cell C1. Therefore, when the cell will be copied, the first cell reference of each cell will get changed, but the second cell reference of the cell remain constant. My dear student, one advice to all of you: whenever any subject you will watch video, that time you have your book. This book provide you too much help. So now drag the autofill handle to calculate discounted value of the rest of the atom in the other cells. Next, mixed cell reference. Mixed cell reference. As the name is denoted, the mixed cell reference. First is the relative cell reference, and second is the absolute cell reference. Both cell reference is the initial reference. By this reason, we will call the mixed cell reference. Mixed cell reference is the combination of relative and the absolute cell references. Okay, it's a combination of relative and absolute cell references. In this, either a row of a column mixed remain constant. Example, $A1 plus A2. Okay, is the example of mixed cell reference. Consider following example calculating the final price of item. To understand the concept of mixed cell reference, let us calculate the final price of the item. Type 10% the cell C1. Click on the cell where you want to display the final price of item. Type $D5 minus E$5 in the selected cell. Press enter the key. Result will be displayed in the cell. Now drag the mouse pointer to calculate the final price of the other items. And so, the help of book, the page number 62, figure 6.8, mixed cell reference. Here, this is the same, this manner. Discount on the price. Discount on the price, same cell, 10%. 200, 300, 500, same manner. Means absolute cell reference. Write the discount and calculate discount. 10% of 20, 20 rupees. 10% of 200, 20 rupees. 10% of 300, 30 rupees. Same this manner. But here discount amount will minus by the price. So 200 minus 20 is 180. So 180. So relation between D column and E column, just like a relative cell reference. Relative cell reference. Add, sorry, multiplication here and minus here. So drag this and we can say the mixed cell reference. Here use the absolute cell reference and the relative cell reference. We call here use the mixed cell reference. In the above example, column will be remain constant in the first reference, whereas the now will remain constant in the second reference. So we can say in this mixed reference we can use the absolute cell reference and relative cell reference. Okay. Now next second video we will discuss about the functions. Bye.